Good day students, welcome to class 9th and 10th mathematics class. Students, this is 4th maths online number 1. Before beginning class, you are requested any home task or activity given to you as register. Class 10 students will solve in registers and class 9 students will solve in the copy. When you resume your class, marks will be given on the basis of home tasks and activities. Students, today our topic is operation of intersection, union and intersection of two sets, the symmetric difference of set A and B. In the previous class, I gave you only introduction of symmetric difference, and today we are learning how to find symmetric difference with different methods. Now I am solving one question, and the question is given that the sets A is equal 6, 1, 3, 5 and B is equal 5, 7, 4, 6 and subsets of the universal set U is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. List the elements of. Students, first we are going to find out A complement. A complement, wherever you find A complement stand for U difference A. First you will write the elements of U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then put difference sign and write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? 6, 1, 3, 5. What we do in difference, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. See here, 1 we can find in set A, 2 we cannot find in set A, so therefore we'll write 2 as an answer. 3 we can find in set A, 4 we cannot find in set A, so therefore we'll write 4 as an answer. 7 also we cannot find in set A, so 7 will be an answer. Again I am repeating, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. Now students, we are learning how to find A union B. In A union B, what we do, we'll write both sets elements together, or any elements which are repeating in both sets we'll write one time. So let's see which elements are common. 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are repeating in both sets, so therefore we'll write one time, and in union what we do, we'll write both sets elements together in order. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our answer. Now comes to another example, A intersection B, and intersection B what we do, we'll write the common elements 6, 5 and 6. See, 5 we can find in both sets and 6 also we can find in both sets. So our answer will be 5 and 6. Now complement bracket A union B. First, outside of the bracket there is a complement sign. Wherever you find the complement sign, it stands for U difference. So see students, before the bracket sign there is a complement sign. So what I have written here, U difference. And then inside the bracket there is written A union B, so I have written A union B. So wherever you see the complement sign, it stands for what? U difference. Students, always anything which is inside the bracket, that we have to solve first. So inside the bracket A union B is written over there, so first we'll find the A union B, and what we do in A union B, we'll write both sets elements together in order, and those elements which are repeating, how many times we'll write? One time. So answer is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first we have solved A union B. Why we have solved first A union B? Because it is written in the bracket. Now which thing is left? U minus or U difference is left. So now we are going to solve U difference. So see here, first U is coming, so first we'll write the elements of U. What are the elements of U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I have written here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then difference sign is there, put difference sign. A union B we already solved, and what answer we got it? 1 3 4 5 6 7. So see, I have written here 1 3 4 5 6 7. And what we learned, what we do in difference, the set containing those elements that are in A but not in set B. So see here, we only do not find 2 in set B. So what is an answer? So our answer will be 2. I hope you understood. Now we are doing A intersection B complement. So students, now complement sign is on B complement, and I've told you that wherever you see B complement sign, it stands for U minus B or U difference B. So how we'll write? A intersection bracket U difference B bracket close. Always anything which is inside the bracket, that we have to solve first. So what is written? U difference B, or that stand for B complement. First we'll write the elements of U. First we'll write the elements of U, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 difference. Then we'll write the elements of B, 5 7 4 6. And what we learned? The set containing those elements that are in U but not in set B. So see, 4 5 and 6 and 7, 4 5 6 and 7, these elements we find in set B. And what are the elements that we cannot find in set B? 1 2 3. So that will be our answer. Students, now we have solved U difference B. And why we have solved U difference B? Because it is inside the brackets. Now what is outside of the bracket? Outside of the bracket there is A intersection. So now we are solving A intersection. A is coming first. First we'll write the elements of A. The elements of A are 6 1 3 5. Then put the sign intersection. And B complement we've already solved, and what answer we got it? 1 2 3. So we'll write here 1 2 3. Now in intersection we'll write the common elements. So 1 we can find in both sets and 3 we can find in both sets. So our answer will be 1 3. Now see, on A is also complement sign, and in B also complement sign. So what we will do? First, A complement, I've already told you, when you have to find A complement or sign complement sign, that stand for U difference A. So first write the elements of U and then write the elements of A. And what we learned? The set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. So see students, see, 1 we can find in set A, 2 we cannot find, so that will be our answer. 3 we can find, 5 we can find, only 4 and 7 we cannot find in set A. So our answer will be 2 4 7. Now another one is U union first sign or empty set. First you'll write the elements of U and then write an empty set. In union what we do? Both sets elements write together. So only we can find elements in set U. So we'll copy as it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why we are copying? Because we cannot find any element in an empty set. Now students, now we are going to learn how to find out symmetric. So first see, this is set builder notation, and there is written how we have to read it. A is equal bracket x such that x is positive even integers less than 10. Positive even integers. In previous classes you've learned those numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called even numbers. So see here, 2 4 6 8. Why we have not written 10? Because there is written less than 10. So what are even numbers? Those numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. And why we have not written 10? Because there is written less than 10. Now we are finding the elements of B. B is equal curly bracket x such that x is positive odd integers less than 10. What are odd integers? Those numbers which do not comes in 2's table are called an odd numbers. So see here, 1 not comes in 2's table, 3 not comes in 2's table, 5 not comes, 7 not comes, and 9. So these are called odd integers. What do we call it? Odd integers. Now u is equal curly bracket x such that x is a positive integers less than 10. So there is written positive on the top, even, then odd. Now they are saying positive integers. So counting will start from 1 till 9. Why we have not written 10? Because there is written less than 10. Now students, now we are going to find out how to find asymmetric B. So there are 3 methods. First, you can solve bracket A union B, bracket close, difference, bracket open, A intersection B, difference, or you can solve bracket A difference B, bracket close, union, bracket open, B difference A, bracket close. Students, this is your choice. If you want to solve with A union B, that is also correct, and if you want to solve with A difference B, that is also. So only you have to choose one. But I have solved for you all methods because I am telling you how to find out. Now it is up to you, so that which method you want to apply. First I am applying the first one. Asymmetric B is equal to bracket open A union B, bracket close, difference, bracket open A intersection B, bracket close. So see, before difference sign there is written in the bracket A union B, and that we will put as an left hand side, and after difference sign there is written A intersection, that we will put as right hand side. So first we are going to find out left hand side. Students, you already know what to do in A union B. Both sets elements will write together. So see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So those elements, I think here we cannot find any elements which are repeating. So our answer is A union B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now let's come to right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B. What we do, intersection B, common element. So we cannot find any common elements over here. So it will be an empty set. Now both answer, left hand side answer and the right hand answer, we got it, and between left hand side and right hand side there is a difference sign. Now we are going to find out the difference. And what A union B, difference A intersection B. First we will write what answer we got it from A union B, 1 2 3 4 5, that we will write first, then put the difference sign, and then A intersection B, we find an empty set, so we will put it here. So what we do in difference, the set containing those elements that are in union B but not in intersection. So see, we cannot find, so our answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the first method to find out asymmetric B. Note, asymmetric B means is the set containing those elements which are either in A or in B but not in both A and B. Now I am telling you how to find out A difference B union B difference A. So first, there are also two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So what we will do, first we will do the left hand side. A difference B, 2 4 6 8 difference 1 3 5 7 9. And what we've learned, the set containing those elements that are in A but not in set B. So see, these are the elements that we cannot find in set B. So 2 4 6 8 will be our answer. Let's come to right hand side. B difference A. First you'll write the elements of B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Put the difference sign. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. And what we learned, the set containing those elements that are in B but not in set A. So we cannot find 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in set A. So our answer will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now we've solved left hand side and right hand side. Now we are finding union of both answer. So see here, first you'll write the answer of A difference B, and what we got 2, 4, 6, 8, and then put the union sign, and what answer we got it in B difference A 1, 3, 5. What we do in union, we'll write both sets elements together. So answer is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the third method is direct method. A symmetric B. First write the elements of A, then write the elements of B. And what we do here, there is written is the set containing those elements which are either in A or in B but not in both A and B. See here, 1 we can find in B but we cannot find in set A, so it will be answer. 2 we can find in set A but we cannot find in set B, so means those elements which are not common. See here again, A difference B is the A symmetric B is the set containing those elements which are either in A or in B but not in both A and B. We cannot find any common. Okay, so easiest way this, any common element. See, we cannot find any common. So if we cannot find any common, so in symmetric what we will do, we'll write all elements in order. So see here in first method also what answer we are getting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the second method we are getting answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in direct method also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, please try to avoid use direct method in the examination. Is it clear? Now see another one. Now there is A complement symmetric B. Now complement sign is also coming and symmetric sign is also coming. So what we will do, I have told you, wherever you see the complement sign, it stands for U difference. So see, I have written here U difference A, then put symmetric sign and then write B. Anything which is inside the bracket, that we have to solve first. So in the bracket there is written U difference A. So first we will find the A complement. Elements of U are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Difference 2, 4, 6, 8. So what answer is coming, and what we learned, the set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. So 2 we can find, 1 we cannot find in other set, so 1 will be answer. Then 3, 5, 7, 9. So because these elements we cannot find in set A, so therefore this will be answer. Bracket we've already solved. Now we are going to find out symmetric B. So now we are doing A complement symmetric B. So what we will do, first complement sign is coming and we've already solved the answer, and what answer we got, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that you will write first. Why we are writing first? Because A complement is written over there. Then put the symmetric sign and then write the elements of B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in symmetric what we do, those elements which are not common in both set, that will be write an answer. But see, all elements are common, so therefore our answer will be an empty set. Another example, complement, bracket open, A complement intersection B. So there are two complement sign. First, outside of the bracket there is a complement sign and it means U difference A. Then put the curly bracket. Why, students, I am using curly bracket? Because I am using round bracket inside, so therefore I have used for the curly bracket. You can do directly also, but it is for easy to you to understand. Then A complement is there, so complement sign U difference A, then intersection, and then B. Always anything which is inside the bracket that we have to solve first. So first U minus A complement we have to solve. So first we'll write the elements of A. What are the elements of A? U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Difference 2, 4, 6, 8. What we learned? The set containing those elements that are in U but not in set A. So see here, 2 is in set A, 4 is in set A, 6 is in set A, 8 is in set A. So what are the elements left? 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. These elements we cannot find in set A. So now U minus A we've solved. Now outside of the bracket there is intersection B. So first we solve intersection B. A complement intersection B. A complement answer we've already got. What answer we got it? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then see there is the intersection sign. So put intersection sign over there. After intersection sign, B is written over there. We'll write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? Elements of B are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In intersection, we'll write the common elements of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We got the answer. Students, now we have solved all sets which are inside the curly bracket, and answer we got it 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now outside there is written a complement sign that stands for U difference. So now we'll write first U elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then write the difference sign, and then intersection B, already A complement intersection B, already we got the answer. And what answer is that? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We'll write it over here. So see here, we can find 1 in set A, then 3 we can find in another set, then 5 we can find in another set, then 7 we can find in another set, and 9 we can find in another set. So we cannot find in another set 2, 4, 6, 8. So that will be our answer. Now students, I hope you've understood clearly. Now your home task is this. There are 15 questions in your textbook. Do those questions, because I've already explained you how to find complement, how to find A union B, how to find A intersection B, how to find symmetric with the different methods. So now your home task is this, to do question 1 till question 15. And these questions are taken from exercise 1.2 from textbook, exercise 1.2, and page number is 12. Thank you very much for watching this maths class.